and Randy. So let's have some introduction on our DTF printer, okay?
Yes.
Okay, please come close to us.
Come closer.
Yes. Hello, Luis. Welcome to our live show here. And please, if you have any questions, please leave comment to us, and we will answer you as soon as possible. Okay. So now we are going to introduce some details of our Kingjet DTF printer. So Wendy will show you some details here.
Yes. It says you can check here. This is the back side of the machines. Here is the feed-up system. Our stronger feed-up system, the speed of the feed-up system is totally matched with our printing speeds. It's totally matched with our printing speeds. And you can check our machine body here. The machine body here, we are using the one-piece aluminum fins, which is very strong and can measure the print hand carriage moving stable and fast. And also the belt. The encoder strip that we use is also the famous brand in the market, because we vary every detail.
Yes, Wendy, that's right. We varied every details on our printers.
Yeah.
Especially in the spare parts. Yes, okay. And let me continue to introduce some details on our printer. So as in the beginning, we have show you guys that the head printing, we can click this printing buttons on the menu, and then it will do the head printing automatically. So this is very easy to operate it.
Wow, that is very clever and great design.
Yes.
That can pretend our print hands.
Yes, and we can see here is full aluminum lifting system on the head station. So it makes the printing more stable and get high resolution and quality printing.
Yes, can measure the printing more accuracy. Also, the design of the copy system and can save your maintenance cost.
Yes. So I see Steve leave comments to us about the question is, are all image bad with white ink so powder can stick? Can we show bad of the PET film after print? Yes, Steve. We can see the printed PET film. On the back, we need to print the white ink. Because after print the white ink, we can sublimation on different color T-shirts. Like as you can see, we can transfer on the white T-shirt and black T-shirt after doing the white ink on the back of the PET film. I hope it can make you more clear about this question.
Also the mouse pad.
Yeah, and
transfer.
Steve also leave a comment here again. How often do you have to change the cap station? About the cap station, I would like to check with our technician. 小邓，这个的话，我们大概要多久换一次啊？就是这个墨垫。 一般不用换，很少换。然后如果要换的话，是大概多久换一次？啊。Yes, Steve, I just conferred with our technicians. The cap station can use for a long time. We need to do the maintenance daily, and it have no limit time of the usage of the cap station. We just need to confer the printing effect is okay, and we do the maintenance of the cap station here daily. We can use it for a long time. Yes, and we see here have the CMYK ink and the white ink. Because the white ink will print less than the CMYK ink, so maybe we will change the white ink cap station firstly, then the CMYK ink. Thank you, Steve. We feel honored and happy to answer you those questions. Welcome, new friends. Thank you.
Yes. Let's continue for the last part. And here we have the panel here. This is for collect the fill to the powder shaker machines. And here is for control. Here is the heating. And also here it's for putting the powder. Yes, you can see our technician is adding the powder now.
So now it's adding the powder on the top.
The new powder here. Hello, new friends. Hello, new friends. Yes, we are in the Kingjet live shows. For the price of the machine, please just leave us the message, and my workmate later will give you the more details for the price. Please keep follow us. And after end powder, you can put the powder back to the normal place. And here they are doing the powder shaking at the moment. And this one is the bell-type powder shaking machine, and you can see here have the control patterns. Let's come closer to see the details of the control patterns. This is for the top driver heat settings, and this is for the top driver speed. And here you can adjust the belt speeds according to the printing speeds.
And this powder shaking machine is very easy to operate. And we will send you the menu of it when you get our printer.
Yes, it is also very easy installation.
Yes. And
here have the special. Here have the drop. Here it's for collect the waste inks from the
powder.
Collect waste powder. Sorry. And the powder can be recycled. This is also for save the customers' cost.
Yeah, then we can save our cost and get more profits.
Yes.
Yes. And Wendy, we see a new friend, Cody. Hello, Cody Jordan. How much for this printer with powder machine? Yes, about the quotation and more details, please leave your contact to us. Please send your message. And and our partners, our colleagues,
workmate will contact you for the price quotation.
Yes.
So leave us your contact.
Yes, and don't forget to share our
live show.
Yeah, live link. You get 10 likes, you can enjoy our promotion.
Yes, we have promotion today.
Okay, Wendy. So I would like to
hello,
welcome new friends.
Yes, we are in the Kingjet DTF live shows.
Mm.
Hola, amigo. Hola. Hola, amigo.
You take it. So I would.
Hello, new friends. Yes, we are in the Kingjet live shows. We are in Kingjet live shows. And the machine behind us is the DTF PET film textile printing machines with the powder shaker.
Yes, Wendy, and I would like to introduce two more important spare parts and designs on our DTF printer. I think that is very important during the DTF printing.
Yes, please.
Okay, please come close to us. Hello, welcome new friends. Also let me introduce the design here. And this one is the high quality engineering plastic peristaltic pump as we all know, it can make the ink going out more smoothly and to keep the continued printing. And also here on the white ink tent, we have the white ink circulation system inside. Because the white ink is easy to sediment, so we need to add the white ink circulation inside to make the white ink print out more smoothly. And so this is a very important point on the DTF printers. If not have the white ink circulation system, it will be easy to break our print heads during printing. Okay, I would like to answer our clients' questions. Welcome, new friends. I got a question from Mr. Lewis. Can it be purchased from Amazon? We are now at Alibaba live show here. You can send your inquiry to us, and we can arrange shipment to your address. If you not have any experience about imports, we can help you to do the shipment. Please don't worry.
Yes.
Just leave your contact and message to us. We will send you quotations
later. Yes.
Yeah.
We will.
Hello, Tim.
Hello,
welcome.
Tim. Hello, welcome.
Nice to meet you here.
Yes, we are at Kingjet live show. We are showing you the DTF machine for the textile printing, which is suitable for like 90% fabric. You can printing on the t-shirts, hoodies, and jeans, and bags,
and mouse pads,
yes,
and so on.
Like almost everything that you can print.
Yes. Hi, new friends. Is
Hello,
your
new
name Gamo? If I pronounce it not right, please forgive me, okay?
Hello,
Nice to
new friend.
see you here.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching our live show here.